Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing and kind of a first impression of the new beauty brand from Kim Kardashian. It is called Skin by Kim. I believe this is to replace the now shuttered KKW Beauty. And I never really tried anything from KKW Beauty, but I don't know what it was about Skin by Kim. I just felt so compelled to try it out. So when it launched recently on June 21st, I went ahead and placed an order and I paid for priority shipping and I got it today. I ordered the complete collection. Now this set, I believe is sold out right now, but if you follow me on Instagram, it's at a heated mess. I will always post notifications and, restock updates. Now the complete collection is literally all 9 products from this initial launch. She does have smaller bundles if you don't want all 9 products, but if you order all these alone separately, it would add up to, I believe, $673. Whereas this set on its own is $575. Like I said, I love trying out new products. I love trying out new skincare and I love switching up my routine. So I just went ahead and got the whole set. So because I wanted to try it out and share with you guys. So this is what it looks like when it arrives. It was in a huge flat kind of a package. It didn't say Skin by Kim on the box on the outside. The box itself was plain on the outside, but then inside it had a smaller package and there was tons of packaging and it actually came with a bunch of samples. Usually the orders would come with only 2 samples. Like when you go to checkout, there are options to pick out 2 different samples. And I just picked 2 samples. I think I picked the exfoliator and like the night oil, but they included 3 more. So I thought that was really nice of them. And it's perfect because I'm actually traveling soon. So if you are just ordering one item, this gives you a chance to try out all the different products. So I'll go over all of these with you, but this is the package. Here is the label right there. It says Skin by Kim. I still have everything in here, so I want to make sure it's not going to fall out. And then on the back here, it has, I think, the ingredients of all the products here. This actually is supposed to rip off, but this top part kind of sticks and it actually just totally removed on its own. When you pop this off, this is what it looks like on the inside. And right here is the little spatula that also says Skin by Kim. This is to scoop out, I guess, the face creams and exfoliator maybe. So here are all the products and individually they can all be refilled, which I think is great, but let's just get into it. I gotta put this down. I'm gonna just go from left to right. So starting here, you have the cleanser, and the 2 largest products here are the cleanser and the toner. This kind of unscrews at the top, and then the cleanser is a pump bottle. And the way this refills is this part comes up here. Here is the little outer packaging, and then you buy the refills separately, and then they just pop back in. The cleanser on its own retails for $43, and then the refill is $37. And you can also sign up for a subscription to whichever products you want. You would save 10%. Then you can change how often or how frequently you want it to be delivered. You have delivery every month, 2, 3, or 4 months. The cleanser is described as a cleansing and hydrating formula that helps to purify and condition the skin while retaining moisture in the upper skin layer, leaving it clean and supple. I do plan on trying this out for a while and then doing like a follow-up review. I am also traveling and I'm very glad because then I can bring these little sample packets with me and try it out with me. And I think they said on their Instagram that none of the products have any fragrance. So all the products are fragrance free except for the exfoliator. It has some, I think, rose scented perfumes or fragrances in it, which I don't have like fragrance sensitive skin. I think fragrance makes it a little more pleasant for me. But again, if you are sensitive to fragrance, then maybe don't try the exfoliator. Okay, next we have the hyaluronic acid. This is described as a multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid serum designed to serve as a daily water shot for the skin. So when you take the top off, this part pops up, the refill, and then you can include the refill in here. This is what the little refill looks like in the back. You just pop that back in and then it has a little click to know that it's secure. And then you close it up. Okay, and then next up is the vitamin C8 serum. I actually have never heard of a vitamin C8. Like I've heard of vitamin C. I don't know what C8 is. This is described as a powerful serum featured with a high dose of vitamin C8 that helps boost collagen synthesis and slows down the appearance of aging. So let's just try this out here. There's the pump. And okay. Now again, there's no fragrance. And like I said, I don't mind fragrance and I often prefer having a fragrance because sometimes if it doesn't, it smells just bad because of the types of ingredients that are included. Fragrance is often used to mask, bad smelling ingredients, but this just smells like nothing. So that's the vitamin C serum. The vitamin C8 serum is $90. And then the refill is $77. And all these products are 1 ounce or 30 ml, which is pretty standard for skincare. Now, these are really exciting. These are the oil drops. And I love adding an oil to my skincare routine, like ending my skincare routine with an oil. This retails for $95. And then the refill is $81. It's described as a supercharged glow oil made from an active form of vitamin C that evens out the complexion, helps reduce the appearance of pores, and immediately promotes radiant and glowy looking skin. Okay, let's try this oil on top of here. Now it's interesting because when they say drops, like I thought it would be an oil dropper, which I usually prefer actually with oils because then I feel like you can control the products more. Again, no scent, but look how nice and glowy my skin is. So those are the oil drops, Vita C Glow. Now the oil drops or the Vita C Glow oil, this is what you would use in your morning skincare routine. And then you have the night oil, and it's another oil. I feel like this is probably thicker. Ooh. This kind of smells like a marula oil, which is like a fancier olive oil. Yeah, usually you would have like a thicker oil. And the night oil is described as a nourishing elixir that works overnight to help deliver youthful looking, even and radiant skin by morning. This retails for $95 and then the refill is $81. So the same price as the oil drops. And then we have the toner. This is described as a renewing toner that gently prepares the skin for the rest of the ritual by helping to plump, smooth, and micro exfoliate the skin. So the toner and the cleanser are the largest products. This has 6 ounces and it's $45 and the refill is $38. So this opens up by unscrewing the top here. And then you have the toner and then you just pop this out when the refill is due. That's the back of it. By the way, these all I think have a shelf life of 24 months. Put the refill back in and then this top just screws back on like that. Now the exfoliator is the one product that is kind of packaged differently. It's in this little moon shape. This is 1.6 ounces. It retails for $55 if you were to purchase it on its own. And then the refill is $47. So this unscrews like so. And then you have this, and I'll just go ahead and open it for you because I will be trying it out. This is it here. So just a normal looking exfoliator. You can feel like the little micro beads. Oh, this smells so good. I wouldn't mind if they had added this rose fragrance to the entire collection. I wonder if it smelled so bad that they were like, no, we need to add a fragrance to this, even though the other products don't have a fragrance. This is described as a double mechanical and enzymatic exfoliating scrub that gently helps promote skin resurfacing to leave the skin feeling soft and smooth. I love exfoliators, and you know, it's not a good idea obviously to over exfoliate. You really should also rely on a chemical exfoliator. There's something so satisfying about feeling those like micro beads slawing away at your skin, you know? But this is the little tub. When you're done with the refill, you just pop a new one in here. So that is the exfoliator. And next up is the face cream. It's in this large little bubble and it's flat on the bottom so it doesn't roll around, but that's the top. This opens up like so. And same thing, it's in a tub and the refill pops out like this. So here's the actual product, and then you just click the refill in here. The face cream, it retails for $85, and then a refill of it is $72. It's described as an indulgent and comforting face cream enriched with a powerful postbiotic to help promote overall skin nourishment for a more youthful look. So let's open this up. I like to leave this like as much as possible. So even when I do try on new product, I try to only remove half the foil so that I can close it back up. It just helps preserve it, I think. There's the cream. No scent, but very moisturizing. And then the final step is the eye cream. So this is half an ounce of product. It's $75 for the single, and then a refill is $64. And similar to the face cream, it's in a little sphere with a tiny flat bottom portion of it so that it doesn't roll around. But this is it opened up. This is described as a gentle yet efficient peptide eye cream that helps preserve elasticity and acts to reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines around the eye's most delicate areas. Okay, this is it. It's kind of squeezing out. So I've already kind of squeezed out some of this eye cream, but I just want to try this out so we can show you what it looks like. Okay. It's firming. I love eye creams, you guys. Like if I'm just home, even if I have makeup on, which is usually under eye concealer, I'll pat an eye cream onto my eyes throughout the day. You know, I am in my late 30s, and so anti-aging and fine lines, especially around my eyes, are probably one of my bigger concerns and something that I try to prevent with my skincare. I love trying new eye creams. I love eye rollers. That's my favorite. I also like to keep eye creams in my skincare mini fridge just for like another cooling, chilling effect. And it helps to depuff my under eyes too. There it is. And so it is not as white as the face cream. I think it's got like a little beige tint to it. I can feel it like sinking into my skin under my eyes. So that is the entire Skin by Kim, the complete collection set. I cannot wait to try it out. I think the set is a great value. If you're interested in trying all the products, it's a good value because all of these on its own would be close to $700, whereas if you buy the complete collection as a set, it's $575. Now the set also came with this little spatula. I don't know which product would come with the spatula because again, this came with the set. So I don't know if it was like, I feel like it would be with the exfoliator, probably. Maybe the face cream, obviously one of these things. Maybe this eye cream, although it's kind of big, but very cute spatula. Very excited to try out a new skincare routine. I will definitely follow up. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. It's @HatenMess. I'll post like mini updates throughout my trial period of this. I'm really excited about the exfoliator. Maybe it's because I just love that it has a fragrance and I love rose scented skincare, but I'm looking forward to seeing how this all works. She was raving about the night oil. Like if you were to just get one thing, she said to get the night oil or maybe the oil drops. And I love adding oil to my skincare routine. So yeah, you can't go wrong with that. I'm also curious about the vitamin C8 serum because I want to know what the other 7 things are. But yeah, let me know if you are trying this out, if you are interested in trying anything out from Skin. It just also looks very pretty on a shelf, I think. And so when you are looking forward to doing your skincare routine with whatever products, it's a bonus because it means that you are taking care of your skin, self-care. It's all about self-care these days. So stay tuned. I will do a follow-up full review, show you how I use these products. I am really excited about these little samples. Let me know what you guys are trying from Skin by Kim. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.